Hello everyone, it's Jim Krasinski with your weekly screencast video. I would like to point out one fact about the screencast videos and even the lecture videos moving forward here. I do have two sections of COM 101. So it's section 005 and section 015. So I will be recording one video and using it for both sections. So if you see section 015 up in the corner of your screen and you're in 005, everything does pertain to you and vice versa. So be aware that I'll be just recording one video for both COM 101 sections. Okay. So, and we're going through the announcements. I uploaded the schedule for the week. I passed out the Murray and Unger readings in our last class meeting before our extended spring break. So if you have those, that is great. Hopefully you've read them. So discussion board number one, which I'll cover in a few seconds, is due on Tuesday. Discussion board number one response is due Thursday, and another response is due on Sunday. This will be our way of working through the readings and discussing the topic for our proposal module. All right. So let's get to the modules here. Okay. Just a quick overview and look at the overview and the objectives. I have a PDF copy here of the learning materials that are located in our Drive account. I decided to add the learning materials to another location, which would be here in Canvas for those of you. Here are our course outcomes and objectives. Roughly speaking, the third essay is a proposal argument. So it's problem solution, and I'll cover that more about that assignment and go through that assignment in detail in the lecture video later in the week. So right now we want to make sure that everybody is reading Murray and Unger. Discussion board, here's the essay instructions. Once again, I will cover those in the lecture video later this week. You may want to take the time to read through that. If you were not in class and you did not get a hard copy of the two articles, I've uploaded those here and created a readings section for you, so you can grab the PDFs and both articles and read those in order to prepare for discussion board number one. So remember now, the discussion boards are taking the place of our reading notes and allows us collaborative space to discuss readings and topics for each module moving forward through the rest of the semester. So it's pretty a straightforward assignment, right? You have to have an initial post and then two responses. So the first part of this would be talking about Murray's article. On the other hand, we'll talk about Sanford Unger's article here, The Seven Misperceptions About the Liberal Arts. So I'm looking for about a 300 word post discussing the prompts, what to think about. Both are on different ends of the educational spectrum when it comes to college and today's students. I acknowledge both of them were older articles. I think one was written in 2008 or 2009, another one in 2010. So just an idea there of what college, the purpose of college is all about. All right. So this particular activity, as I covered, is Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. And here are the drive instructions here. I also have created, it doesn't matter what section I am in. Let me get into the course folder. So I have created the SA3 folder, the proposal argument, and inside the SA3 folder, you will find the learning materials. Normally I add reprographics, make everyone a copy. Can't do that, but you have a PDF that's downloadable in Canvas as I demonstrated earlier, and you have a copy here. I'm not expecting everyone to print these. This is a pretty long document if I remember correctly. 7, 8, 9, almost 10 pages, but it's there for your reference here in the drive if you're working in Google Drive, and also if you just want to download it and read it in the Canvas course module here. All right. So I think that's all I want to cover for this week's screencast. Let me get back to the module page here. One thing I want to point out, I've gone through and I have reviewed and graded most all. I might have a straggler or two of essay number 2, the summary essay. If you are looking to revise your essay, you want to make sure that you let's see, let's go back into the essay 3, the proposal argument. In your GDoc here, I'll just demonstrate in this document. You want to make sure that before you revise your particular essay 2, the assignment should be open. I'm leaving all assignments open for the rest of the semester. You click on File here and make a copy. So if you click on Make a Copy of your GDoc for Essay 2, make sure that you make a copy, and you want to copy comments and suggestions. All right, if you've resolved any, you want to make sure you do that too. Then click OK. Rename the copy your revision. All right, and make your revisions in a copy. Please, please try and preserve the original reviewed copy of your essay 2. That way it preserves my comments so that I can look and see and review with accuracy your revisions. All right, so make a copy and work in that before you start revising essay 2. So remember, at the end of the semester, we will be working on revisions for the portfolio and the cover letter assignment. So you might be working ahead in some ways. All right. All right. Any questions about this week's activity or essay 2? Everybody can find me via email. Also, look for later in the week for the lecture video about essay 3. Yeah, about essay 3, and I'll go through that. All right. Good luck and stay safe.